Hey everyone, I am Kanu Thakor and in this video we are going to create a poster of watch. And this post is going to be an Instagram post and that's why its size is 180 by 180 pixels. I have created this Photoshop file and I will be changing the style. I am just revealing all those things. Take a background and this background is of this color. You can see this color. This is the color code. And then after that I just added these two ellipses. This ellipse are just like that, and add ellipse you can select this one, this tool here. You can select this ellipse tool and then draw the ellipse as per your requirements, and then I just decrease its opacity to 24% here, and this one is near, this one is 11%. So that's it. And then just added this one. This creates a focus more on the center because our watch is going to be on the center. You can do this one just by using this brush tool here. Select the brush tool, choose the color you want to paint, and then paint the corners. And this one is the mask, and I use this mask just to make it more softer and nicer. Okay, now let's come to the watch. So first of all, this was the watch, and this is the original image of watch, and it was just given to me, and I just selected the watch and removed all the backgrounds from this image, and it was done using the pen tool. You can use any selection tool, just like quick selection tool or magic wand tool or object selection tool, or you can also use pen tool as per your needs and your wants. So you can do that. Just select that and add a layer mask from here. After doing this, after layer masking that, let's add a drop shadow. This layer contains this shadow. As you can see, this adds some more effect, and this shadow is created here. After that shadow, as you can see, this whole background is red in color and not a single red color is reflected on the screen. So for that, we will add this, we will duplicate this one and then paste this color here, and then clip it to this image. After clipping it, change the blend mode. So this was the normal mode, and change this blend mode to U, so that it will add a reddish effect on this screen, so that it will look more nicer and more natural. So now this portion is done, and now I am revealing this layer. You can see this, whenever I am enabling this layer, it just add more red color on this portion, and it makes it more attractive, or we can say more focus point. So that's why I added this, and this was done by selecting this layer, and I just changed it. This was the normal mode. It was paint using dark red color, and then I just changed its blend mode to vivid light. You can play around with this blending modes, and you can choose whatever you want and choose one which feels good to you. Now our background is done, and then we also done with this watch. We completed this portion. Now adding text. So let's see here. This text, first of all, I am just hiding this one. This text is here, and it's let's see its properties. This is Roberto condensed bold, and all other things you can set as per your requirements. Then this text, this is watch, this one is case, this is the name of that brand, and I just added this drop shadow, and you can see that effect. When I am just hiding that drop shadow, it gives watch case in a plain white color, but whenever as I added this drop shadow, it just brings that watch upper, and that case is, it gives the feel that that case text is behind the watch text. So for that, you can simply click on this layer, you can click on this text layer, and then here is the option of this drop shadow. You can play around with this, you can adjust all those things as per your requirements, and then once you are done, hit OK, and you are good to go. So this text was added here, and then finally the logo of this brand, and this is their Instagram handle. So that's why I wrote here, this is the text that is watchcase03. This is their Instagram handle, and here is the logo. So just added that logo. That's it for this video. If you like this, then hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, turn on the notification to get notified for upcoming video. If you like this poster, then let me know in the comment section that how was it and how you felt about this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.